Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to request shows on Netflix. Got a favorite movie you'd like to see added to Netflix? Good news! Netflix makes it easy to put in a request for your favorite movie or TV show to be added to the streaming service. Let's walk through the steps to do that. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to help.netflix.com/title request. Log into your Netflix account if prompted. You'll arrive at the Netflix Request TV Shows or Movies page. Step 2. Enter the name of either the TV shows or movies that you want to request be added to Netflix in the 3 title suggestion fields. Step 3. Click Submit Suggestion after entering the TV shows or movies you would like to see added to Netflix. The Thanks for Your Feedback screen appears with information around why some recommendations don't ultimately find their way onto Netflix. Separately, if you want to request more TV shows or movies for Netflix to add, you can click Suggest More Titles toward the bottom of this screen. Let me know what you're currently watching on Netflix in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.